Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm going to show you guys how I do a flat twist out. So these are the products and the items that I'm going to be using. I'm going to start off by parting my hair down into 4 sections because it's just easier to work that way. Now I'm going to be doing a lot of natural hair videos over the next couple of weeks because y'all, my hair is coming out and I don't know why, but it's coming out. So we're going to try to fix that issue, that problem. But anyways, just go ahead and I'm going to section it into 4 sections. So y'all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 sections in the back going down, and then I'm going to do the sides going straight down. So this is the first section that I did in the back, and I'm just going to flat twist the rest of my hair. So I'm going to show you how I add my products to it. The first product I'm going to add, well, first I'm going to add a clip to it. Then I'm going to add this castor oil conditioner. And then I have a honey leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to add some Lotta body foam wrap just for the hold so that it'll be defined. Now the castor oil leave-in, well, it's not a leave-in conditioner, it's just a regular conditioner. I'm just adding a small amount and I'm going to leave it in my hair. I will do a review on that. It's supposed to make your hair grow, but I got it from, where did I get it from? I forgot where I got it from, but I will do a video on that to let you guys know how it's doing and see if it really works. But it's a castor oil growth conditioner. So as you can see, I just flat twisted to my head. I will talk you guys through the next flat twist, but this one, it's already done. So anyways, the next section, I'm parting it off with my fingers because when you part it with your fingers and not, really straight parts, it's easier for when you're done and you're trying to pick out the parts, you pick it out easier because the parts are not defined. Alright, so I'm just going to start off with a small section and I'm just going to twist it like a regular 2-strand twist and then grab hair so that it will actually be a flat twist to my scalp. And then the remaining of it that's hanging, I'm just going to go ahead and twist that all the way to the ends and try to detangle it as much as possible. But you just want to make sure that you twist it all the way to the ends, and then at the end, as you can see, I just twirl it around my fingers. So this is how it ended up looking. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the sides. I'm just going to twist it going down instead of going back. Now the front two, where my part is, I'm going to twist them coming straight forward. And then the rest of it is going to be going down. Okay, so now I'm just using my blow dryer to stretch it out just a little bit and get the drying process started. Now, the part 2 of this I will list below, but click there to see.